Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a quick fix traditional breakfast recipe, fried cassava. If you're new here, welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. I have my cassava here, this bigger one and these other pieces here. So I'm going to start by preparing them. I'm going to chop them up into pieces first, and then I'm going to remove the cover, and then I'll get rid of the hands too. For the cover, I'll make a line across here, and then I'm going to try to peel it. And then I'll chop them into pieces. Okay, moving on, I'm not done preparing this. I'm now going to go ahead and wash this. I'm going to go ahead and add this. Then I'll add some water to slightly cover them, and a pinch of salt to taste. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. So I want this to cook super quick. You see, it's fork tender. I actually feel like it's just okay. I'll go ahead and strain my cassava here. So moving on, right here I prepared 2 garlic cloves, 2 small onions, I chopped them up, and then I have my tomato in here, 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. I'll add some oil to the pot. I feel like that's just enough. And then I'm going to add in my onions together with my garlic. I'm going to mix this up, and then I'll fry my onions to golden brown. My onions are now golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes here. Mix it up. And then right here I have this garam masala. I'm going to use it as my seasoning. I have some chili flakes here. You can use cayenne pepper instead of that. I have black pepper, a tablespoon of garam masala that is not heaped, a 1/4 tablespoon of chili flakes, just a pinch of black pepper, and then some salt to taste. Just a pinch. I'll go ahead and mix this up, and then I'll cover my pot so my tomatoes can soften. Add the meat. Okay, I feel like this is just ready. It already absorbed the oil. I'll turn off my stove. And this is how our cassava looks. Let me give it a taste first. Now that's the taste of home. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly subscribe to support me to create more videos like this. Thanks for watching again and see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe.